Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'll be doing a review on this Roborock Qrevo MaxV robot vacuum cleaner. So we've got some muddy paw prints, we've got a lot of dirt and debris on this kitchen floor. We're going to see how well it mops and vacuums up this floor. So this is the base station. This is going to wash the mop pads that are on the bottom of the robot. You've got a clean water tank. You're going to put clean water in this tank. And then when it washes the mop pads, it's going to put all the dirty water. You can see how dirty the water is. After it washes the mop pads, it sucks all the water out and puts it in here. It also self-empties the robot. Right here is a dust bag that you will have to change every once in a while. So the Roborock app does a really good job of mapping your house. You can put no-go zones. We're going to have it clean the kitchen. We're going to tell it to start cleaning right now.
Starting selective room cleaning.
The first thing it's going to do, it's going to wash the mop so that the mop is nice and wet before it starts working. Now it does wash the mop with hot water. And at the end of this job, after it's all done mopping up this floor, it's going to come back here. It's going to wash the mop with hot water. Then it's also going to dry it with hot air. So what you're hearing now is it's sucking the water up out of there into the dirty water tank. Are these your muddy paw prints?
Cleaning.
Okay, so now it's going to start cleaning. Okay, so it is vacuuming and mopping at the same time. Now it can extend that arm out. That's pretty cool how it does that. It spins them and it has an internal tank that's putting down water onto the mop pads to help so they can mop good. Now this is a pretty big test for this robot. I've got it so it'll do 2 passes. Now the robot also has obstacle avoidance on there. It can sense that cord and it's going to take a picture of it and avoid it. Now you can turn that picture taking capability on or off in the Roborock app. And it also auto senses carpet. When it senses that rug, it's going to lift the mop pads automatically. See there, it lifts them and then it can vacuum the carpet, and it increases the suction when it's on carpet. Okay, here it is cleaning again. Now when it senses carpet, it's going to lift those mop pads, turn them off, and increase suction. Now it's going to turn the mop pads back on. It can get right up next to that cabinet. That's pretty neat. Now it's not very loud. When it's vacuuming and mopping, about 65 dB. Now once it goes around the perimeter of the room, then it starts to go back and forth to make the nice lines. So here it is mopping the muddy paw prints. Not bad for the first pass. Again, I've got this where it's going to do 2 passes. Wow, pretty good job. Again, those are really, really muddy. For everyday mopping your floor, this would be awesome. Yep, I think on the second pass it's going to get it. And in the app, we get a live view of where the robot is. Okay, let's just pause it and take a look. If we lift this up, this is the dustbin that it's been collecting all the dirt and debris. Wow, it has collected a lot of dirt and debris. And when it's all done, it'll go back to the base station and it'll vacuum everything out through this port right here, and it fills up the water tank with this port. Here it is on those muddy paw prints again. Okay, so once it's done going back and forth this way, the second pass, it's going to go back and forth the other way. Here it is, the second pass on those muddy paw prints. Wow, it's doing a pretty good job. And again, here in the Roborock app, we can see exactly where it's been and where it's going. And if I click on that little obstacle, it does show me a picture of that cord. Okay, so it's all done. It's going to return to the dock. There's where it's going to wash the mop pads and then dry them. Now, it did a pretty good job on the muddy paw prints. Though, again, those were dried on really, really thick mud.
Charging. Starting to wash the mop.
All right, it's going to wash the mop pads. So it did seem to vacuum almost everything up off this carpet. I had some ground coffee on the floor. It got that really good. And again, probably another couple passes on these muddy paw prints and it would have gotten it. So for everyday mopping, it does a really, really good job for dust. Okay, now it's emptying the dustbin. It's not very loud. About 75. Okay, now it's going to dry the mop pads. You can hear a small fan that's going to blow hot air right onto the mop pads. And that will shut off anywhere from 2 to 4 hours depending on what you've got it set in the app. Again, let's take a look at that dirty water. So it's doing a good job of mopping. So this was my quick review. Sometimes these videos can get really, really long. Quick review on the Roborock MaxV Ultra. As you can see, those were pretty intense muddy paw prints. So my next video is going to be a long review. Not necessarily a long review, but a detailed review. Step by step, everything along the way. These videos can get just so long. You have to, you can't talk about everything that the robot does. So I want to do a short review and a detailed review. That's my very next video, will be the detailed review. And I have a setup, unboxing and how to set up and connect this to your smartphone. And then I'm going to have a video on how to do all the maintenance. There is maintenance on these, so we will be doing how to do all the maintenance. So I did buy this with my own money, $1,400. That's very expensive right now. Do I think it's worth it? I got to do some more testing, but boy, that's just a super high price tag. I mean, I got to do some more. I do like it. I do like everything about it. It's just the price. I will be comparing it to the brand new S8 MaxV Ultra. It's even more expensive. And then I've got the older versions of both of these. I'll be doing comparisons. Lots of videos coming up. And I'll be giving it my grading. I'll be giving it a grade like I do with the other robots. So be sure and check out my videos on these brand new Roborock vacuum cleaners. I got the Roborock Qrevo MaxV, and here's the Roborock S8 MaxV. I've got comparisons, setup videos. These are really amazing robots, and I'll be comparing them to the older ones. I also sell my own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip. I sell it in the whole bean or ground bag and also in the K-Cup form. You can buy it at justadadcoffee.com. Be sure and check me out on Instagram. Look for my logo right here. Just a Dad videos on Instagram. I do behind the scenes and free giveaways. So when I'm done with these products, I do give them away. Hit a follow on Instagram and my Facebook group page. I'll put links to them in the show description notes. Again, here's the Narwhal Dream L10S. There's the old Qrevo I'll be comparing it to. There's the old S8, Dream L20. That thing's big, but it does a good job. The Dream X30. I got the X40 coming. It should be here in a couple weeks. So X30 I do love, but super expensive. Roombas. I got Tinicos I do reviews on. Shark just released 2 brand new Hydrovacs. These aren't it. These are the old ones, but I will be comparing them to the old ones. $1,200 Dyson. Roborock, that's one of their economical ones. Q5 does a great job. This is the game changer right here. The Dirt Devil. This is a $99 robot vacuum with LiDAR navigation and has an awesome app that maps your house and is easy to use. I just did a review on this one, $99 Walmart. You just can't beat that price for LiDAR navigation. I also show you what Roombas, you know, these are starting to get kind of long in the tooth. The i5 I stay away from. The J7's okay. This is the J9 Plus, but even these are starting, you know, there's just so much better technology. Same with over here on the Sharks. Again, I got almost every Shark vacuum they make, but they're just showing their age, and there are better ones out there. But there is a price point in the $300 to $400 range when you want to just vacuum carpet. These are actually pretty good. I also do carpet cleaner reviews and vacuum cleaner reviews. Yeah, I just got this brand new Yeti. This thing looks pretty capable. M12 Pro, don't much about it, but I bought it with my own money. There's the Dirt Devil one I got from Walmart, $99, LiDAR navigation. So again, I absolutely love what I do. Thank you so much. I really want to thank you for helping me with my videos. You know, again, really do appreciate everybody's support. If you could, please like and subscribe and use the links down below. I really would appreciate it. And thanks for watching. Be sure to check out my Instagram, Just a Dad Videos on Instagram. If you could, hit a follow there. Also check out my Facebook group page, Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. I do free giveaways there also. Could you get any goofier? Are you comfortable?